All right, we got John's ZHP back in here for an exhaust. We already tried to modify. This is with no what, resonator?
No resonator. Muffler modification.
Muffler modification. All right, let's hear it. Doesn't sound terrible, but it doesn't sound bad. But it's not as loud as I think he wanted it to be, so we're gonna change her up to the old Turner. Still quiet, but this is what we got. The old Turner baffled system.
Nice exhaust.
Mike, how'd you feel about that noise coming from that car?
I hear more engine.
Yeah.
than the...
Sounds good in the back, but...
Yeah. I mean, when I drove it here, definitely a little louder.
Yeah.
You feel the engine more, but
this is the full Turner exhaust.
No.
Is this pretty new to the scene?
Yeah.
Pretty new to the E46 scene. 800 bucks it was.
They're doing a lot of older cars now, like E36.
Oh yeah.
E46.
Maybe they should do a S52
E30.
swapped
I think they
E30.
might be doing yeah, 24 valve swap.
Cause that'd be cool. I need one of those.
And we need headers.
Need headers, yeah.
More E46 headers.
But maybe the EPA is cracking down, you know?
Greg wants some.
Yeah.
This is for track use only.
Just for track use only.
We don't drive on the streets without the cats.
Yeah, we put the cats back in when we drive on the street.
I like fresh air.
But yeah, here they are. We're gonna throw her right on, see how it fits. It's got the valve, so not gonna set it up with the vacuum box. We're gonna see how it is off the engine vacuum at first. And
this is the vacuum one. No?
Yeah, but it is like, you know, you don't have the vacuum when the car's not on, but
I mean, it's got a one-way.
yeah. Alright, we'll make it work.
The long line.
Alright, here's everything it comes with. Got the controller.
Look that up.
Got some clamps. Got some vacuum line. Got a one-way. Got the exhaust.
Oh, you gotta transfer this shit.
2 to 1, yeah, gotta transfer the mounts. But it's looking pretty sweet. We're just gonna start from the top and slowly install her on. But that won't be hard. The hardest part is just doing this. That takes just a second, but we'll get her on there. Here's the old exhaust one piece. There's where we cut her open. Didn't do much, did it, Mike?
No.
So don't try that, guys.
Not worth it.
Just buy this exhaust. Actually, we'll tell you after when we hear it, but maybe just buy this thing.
It looks a lot lighter though.
It does, yeah. We should have weighed them up.
We can. Should we try weighing them up?
I guess we'll weigh them up for the people, yeah.
Let's see.
Alright.
Trust the scale.
Alright, here's this thing. You kind of gotta like lean her to get the right thing and don't touch it. What is it, Mike? 60 pounds?
60 pounds.
59.6, I'd say. Yeah. When he's got it balanced, it's 59.6, so we'll call it 59.6, and I guess we're just gonna add all these up. We'll just do them individually and add them up. We'll do that real quick for you. Or is Mike just gonna do it?
13.
13? Here, I'll add it up, Mike. You just get the parts going. That's the plastic bag, and we're not gonna use all the vacuum line, but we'll put it all on. That's another, what, 4.4 we said?
Yeah.
That's all the clamps?
Yeah.
Plus 4.4. 38.15 with everything. So
22.
good little weight savings there, I'd say.
22 pounds.
Yeah, not bad, and it's
Was
got
that more than Dan's
all
weight
this
savings?
stuff on it. Nah, I don't think so. That thing was pretty crazy. Ain't no Akrapovic, but... And he is gonna have this in the car, Mike, this remote. No, I'm just saying. Alright, here's our wiring here for the valve. This box, we double-sided taped it over there with some 3M tape. Shouldn't go anywhere. The antenna wire's going up there. And we got a switch power and ground right there. That's going to the taillights. So, should be all good. Then that one's running the power wire to the solenoids going through there. We'll make a little grommet for it. And we'll go back up, finish her up. Alright, here she is. All tightened down. Looks pretty good. Mike, was it easy?
Pretty easy. Just takes time.
Just takes time. We started at 9. It's 10:30, so hour and a half install. 2 people. So
3 hours.
might as well say 3 hours maybe. Probably a little less because, you know, but looks pretty good. See how she sounds. Alright, we fixed our power wire, so now she works. So this is the closed still. And the open. Give us a couple revs, Mike. Sounds pretty stock. We'll open her up. Alright. Oh. Oh, wow.
Hey.
Quite a difference. Yeah, the one sounds pretty stock.
Yeah. Like sport stuff.
And it's pretty quick to change. So that's 3. She's loud, boy.
Do that again.
So that's kind of straight pipe. Alright, first impressions, a little quiet.
Quiet in here.
It's quiet in here.
We do have the windows up.
That's true.
It's hella windy.
Now is it on or off? Give it a couple revs. I can't tell. Can't tell from here. Is it working?
I guess we got text to signal, right? Test it.
Yeah. Yeah. Alright, we got it on now.
Oh, we're ripping now.
Yeah. Sounds pretty good.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Uh-oh.
Truck almost wanted to come out on us.
Hit traffic.
Hit traffic.
Sounds pretty good, though.
Yeah. Sounds pretty good. Very quiet. All you hear is intake noise, so definitely a big difference on her. And I like that because you can rip it, you know, with the exhaust closed, not worry about somebody hearing you, and then open her up when you want to let her eat. All right, Mike, what do you think about it?
I think it's pretty good.
Good product?
I think it's a good product.
We'll just have to see how it
highly
lasts.
recommend.
Yeah.
I don't think I've seen another good exhaust, especially for the price. $800 is not bad for a full system.
It's hard to find for
That's
these guys.
valid, you know?
Yeah. No, it's pretty sweet.
And it looks sweet.
Looks good.
And we lost 20 pounds.
Well, lost 20 pounds. It's a win-win. So, I'd say go check it out. Go get them.
Go get them.
Go get them while they're hot.